of strengths of biotechnology. First is, as you all might be knowing, that the thirst area on which Ahmedabad focuses on is cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer, Parkinson majorly. So also these diseases are emerging in biotechnology, so this is one of the strength here. Then we have all the facilities which are needed in biotechnology lab present at NIPER Ahmedabad. The projects are carried out on topics like transcriptomics, proteomics, genomics and CRISPR technology, NGS, chip sequencing. अरे क्या हुआ, नाम बड़े बड़े लगे तो इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगा? बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है यार, ट्राई करके तो देखो. Also, the next strength is the instruments that are available. We have all instruments that are basically needed for biotechnological field like PCR, Western blot assembly, gel dock, and all the related instruments which are needed to perform basic biotechnological technique or advanced biotechnological technique. We have all of that. Then the next advantage of being here is ATC facilities. We have really well ATC facility. We have about 50 to 60 cell lines. We have different cell lines like CAR27, which is basically for oral cancer, AML cell line. Also we have Neuro 2A and PC12 and different various types of cell line. अब 50 cell line है, सबके नाम थोड़ी possible हो गया यार, बहुत सारे cell lines हैं. Also, the major advantage is, as we know that cell line is a 2D technique. So also Ahmedabad will provide you opportunity to shifting towards 3D technique. है ना interesting? तो आप spheroids, organoids जो 3D सेल कल्चर्स होते हैं उसमें भी एक्सपेरिमेंट अपने कैरी ऑन कर सकते हैं, तो ये एक एडवांटेज है. देन द नेक्स्ट इज पैच क्लैम्प टेक्निक अवेलेबल है. अब आप सोचोगे पैच क्लैम्प क्या है? सो इट इज अ टेक्निक बाय विच वी कैन मेजर द करंट इन द टिश्यू. That is, we can measure the ionic conduction in the tissue. So, patch clamp न्यूरोलॉजिकल स्टडीज में बहुत हेल्पफुल है और जो यहाँ नाइपर अहमदाबाद में आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं, तो है ना इंटरेस्टिंग. द नेक्स्ट इज सपोर्टिव फैकल्टी एंड PhDs, and the faculties are highly qualified and experts in their relative field. Here also we are taught about in silico studies that are carried before in vitro studies, like they are computerized and we can prevent the failure of experiments by doing in silico studies, and it's really very interesting. मैं जब यहाँ आई थी तो मुझे जैसे कि हम सब फार्मा बैकग्राउंड से है, तो मुझे डिस्कनेक्ट लगा था कि यार कहाँ हम सब ऐसे ड्रग रिलेटेड स्टडी करते थे. वी वर यूज्ड टू स्टडी द फार्माकोलॉजी एंड फॉर्मुलेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग related to drug, and biotechnology basically focus on DNA, RNA genes, and it's entirely different. So मुझे थोड़ा डिस्कनेक्ट लगा था, but we have subjects like molecular biology, cell biology, and all basic subjects which means it will start from central dogma, that is the basic of biotechnology. And जब मैंने ये सब समझना चालू किया, तो now I find biotechnology more interesting as compared to pharma field, I swear. So it's more interesting यार, ट्राई करो, आ जाओ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में. थैंक यू.
Myself Tejaswini Bothra. I am pursuing M.Pharm in the Pharmaceutical Analysis Department from the NIPER Ahmedabad. There is a 23 seats are available in the Department of Analysis. The most important thing is, what is golden point in the Analysis Department is student get exposure to the hyphenated techniques such as Orbitrap, MAS, NMR, GPC, IC, NMR, thermal techniques and all. जो चीजें अपन बी फार्म में जो सिर्फ पढ़ी थी, सुनी थी कि हाँ MS होता है, NMR होता है, हाँ ये HPLC से ऐसे वर्क करता है, बट एक्चुअली वी आर परफॉर्मिंग और हैंडलिंग दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन नाइपर अहमदाबाद. फॉर नाइपर अहमदाबाद जो इंटरप्रिटेशन है वो भी हमने सीखा, जो भी नॉलेज है जो 0 से मतलब 10% जो हमने बी फार्म में सीखा था, वो कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है और कैसे एनालाइज करना है, वो सिर्फ हमने नाइपर अहमदाबाद में ही सीखा है. और मेन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज कि उनका कहना है कि QC पर्सन है जो सिर्फ लैब टेक्नीशियन जैसे काम करते हैं कि हाँ ये सॉल्यूशन बनाओ, इतना इतना ppm है, उतना रन कर दो. बट व्हाट दे टीच अस कि how to interpret the data, how to solve the industrial level problems within a short period of time. That thing is one of the best thing I am learning in the NIPER Ahmedabad. The golden point is we are having a highly qualified staff. There is no doubt they are working in the research areas such as toxicokinetic, bioanalytical, biosimilars, impurity characterization, degradation, product characterization, IVIVC, complex formulation characterization, and many more. The Sonebhai Suhaga in the pharmaceutical analysis department in an NIPER Ahmedabad is a 100% placement, and they are offering a good packages, 5.5 lakh minimum per annum, and the MNC companies they are coming such as Novartis, Sun Pharma, RSG, and many more. So congratulating all the NIPER students who are qualified, and welcome to all the welcome all students in this NIPER analysis family. Thank you.